Hi, I'm at the 7-Eleven and I'm gonna try to microwave some of these Twinkies here. I've never had microwave Twinkies before. Let's see what the microwave does to a Twinkie. Stick it in the 7-Eleven microwave here and close the door. And I'm gonna hit number 5. That's 90 seconds. So we're gonna cook this for 90 seconds. See what it does. Hope it don't blow up. I don't want to mess up the 7-Eleven microwave. Okay, it's cooking in there. I'm starting to smell some Twinkies. Uh-oh, the front of the microwave is starting to steam up. I don't know, I'm smelling Twinkies. Okay. I don't know if this is going to go the full 90 seconds or not. It smells like the Twinkies is almost done. Uh-oh, it smells like they're starting to burn. Uh-oh. There's a lot of steam on that microwave window there. Okay. I don't know, maybe I better pull these out. It smells like it's burning. Yeah, I better turn this off. I better get these, I gotta get these Twinkies out of here. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm afraid I'm gonna burn up the Twinkies. Okay, we'll hit off. Okay, we gotta pull the, we gotta pull these out of here. Oh no, they're all burned up. Yeah, I took it out. I burned the Twinkie. How much is that? $1.89. Sorry. Yeah, just keep the change. Sorry. I burned the Twinkie. Sorry. I burned the Twinkies and set off the fire alarm. Oops. My bad. Twinkies all burned up.